New court motions today in the Delphi murders case. More back and forth between the state and the defense team for the suspect, Richard Allen. It's been almost a full year now since state police arrested Allen for the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German in 2017.
CBS 4's Russ McQuaid tells us what these latest motions could mean for the case.
Richard Allen's trial for the killings of Libby and Abby is less than 3 months away, and both sides are stepping up their efforts to submit paperwork to the judge in an attempt to get her to see the case their way. This is one of the few times we've caught a glimpse of Richard Allen outside the Westville Correctional Facility, where the Carroll County Sheriff says he's being kept for his own safety, even though Allen has never been convicted of a crime. In the state's response to Allen's lawyers wanting their client moved to a county jail closer to home, we learned that Allen was subjected to an electric stun device twice by prison employees last spring, quote, because he would not follow the commands of the correctional officers. In September, Allen's attorneys filed motions alleging their client was intimidated by correctional officers wearing patches on their uniforms defining their allegiance to Odinism, a form of Norse identity beliefs. As the defense claims, the killer or killers of Abby and Libby left symbolic Odinism evidence at the Delphi murder scene. Correctional Officer Randy Jones signed an affidavit last month acknowledging that he wore a patch on his DOC uniform, attesting to his practicing Norse paganism heathenry, which he says is not Odinism. But he took that patch off a couple months ago at the direction of the acting Westville warden. It's a statement similar to that of Correctional Officer Joshua Robinson, who emphatically said he does not practice Odinism, but admits a patch on his uniform could be construed as associated with Odinism, while it actually proclaims his devotion to his, quote, religious higher power, and he did so until the acting warden told him to take off the patch last month. In his affidavit, Acting Warden John Gallipo wrote that while there are some practicing Odinists among the inmate population at Westville, he does not have, quote, a vested interest in keeping the defendant incarcerated in a facility that is ripe to Odinism. It's been almost a year since a judge in Carroll County signed a search warrant that allowed investigators to go into Richard Allen's house to find the gun they say was present at the murder scene. But we're still waiting for Special Judge Fran Gull to rule on a defense motion to toss out that search warrant and therefore that key piece of evidence. In the newsroom, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.
Russ, thank you. You can read more from the filings over on our website right now at cbs4indy.com.